Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we have completed the quantity calculation of brickwork in foundation and plinth of a two-room building with front veranda. And today, we are going to do the next item of work, that is 2 cm thick cement concrete damp proof course. So write down in the details of measurement form item number 4 and in the particulars of item 2 cm damp proof course. So as you know, this damp proof course is known as your DPC, which is provided above the plinth wall and where there is presence of superstructure wall, and it is not provided in the plinth wall where there is no superstructure wall. So this DPC is made up of cement concrete and it is a square meter item. So we will go for the calculation of DPC in the room. So as in the you can see it is not provided in case of your veranda. As in case of veranda, you can see here there is no superstructure wall. Okay, therefore it is not provided in the veranda. So this will be provided under the long wall and short wall of the room. So first we will go for the calculation of long walls. In the cross section you can see here, this is the cross section of the main wall, that is 30 cm wall, and you can see here it is written just above the plinth wall and below the superstructure wall there is a 2 cm DPC. So for calculation of DPC along long wall, what will be the length of the long wall, because this is a square meter item and it has only length and breadth. Okay, so first we will go for the length. So how to calculate the length of the DPC? So the DPC as it is prepared on the entire width of the plinth wall, so with the center to center length of the long wall, we will add half of the width of the plinth on both the sides. Okay, so this will give you the length of the DPC along long wall. So this is the length. Similarly, for breadth, the breadth will be equal to 0.4 meter as it is prepared above the plinth wall. So its breadth is 0.4. Similarly, for short wall, in order to get the length along short wall, so we have to subtract from center to center length of the short wall half of the width of the plinth from both the side. So this will give you the length along short wall. The breadth will be equal to breadth of the plinth wall, that is 0.4, and it has no depth. Now we will move to the details of measurement form. So you can see here, first write down long wall. There are 2 numbers of long wall. So in the remark column, write down length is equal to center to center length is 8.1. So with 8.1, we have added half of the width of the plinth on both sides. That means 1 width of the plinth. So the length becomes 8.5. Width is width of the plinth and depth is, it has no dimension in terms of depth. So by multiplying all these 3 columns, we will get the total quantity along long wall as 6.80 square meter. Clear? Next, we will move to the short wall. So, there are 3 numbers of short wall. There are 3 numbers of short wall. So, see, from the center to center length of the short wall, that is 4.3. From this, you will subtract half of the width of the DPC from both the sides. So, it will give you length as 3.9, breadth is 0.4. Then by multiplying all the 3 columns, you will get the quantity as 4.68 square meter. So, then you will add the total, quantity along long wall and short wall. So, this will give you the total quantity of DPC as 11.48 square meter. Okay. Then, you have to deduct the door sills, because in these portions of door sill there is no superstructure wall. So, there will be no DPC. So, you have to add the door sill. So, for deduction of door sill, first we have to know what is the dimension of this door. So, in the plan you can see it is given as door is of dimension 1.2 meter by 2.1 meter. Okay. Door is of dimension 1.2 by 2.1. And there are 2 numbers of door of same dimension. So, we will deduct length will become 1.2, breadth will become 0.4. Clear? So, in the details of measurement form, see here, write down deduct door sills. Number of door is 2, length is 1.2, breadth is 0.4. So, the total quantity for deduction is 0.96 square meter. Now, from the total quantity of 11.48 square meter, you will subtract this 0.96 square meter to get the net quantity of DPC as 10.52 square meter. So, this is the final value of your quantity of your DPC. So, this is all about for today's class. In the next class, we will go for the calculation of next item of work, that is first class brickwork in superstructure. Thank you.